Now I will be demonstrating the project titled as automatic street lighting using LDR sensor. As you know, when the light intensity increases, the resistance of the LDR decreases, and when the light intensity decreases, then the resistance of the LDR increases. That is inversely proportional with respect to light intensity and the resistance. So now for automatic street lighting using the LDR sensor project, this is the LDR. This is the LDR sensor, right? And this is the Arduino board. This is LED, right? So now this LDR sensor has two pins. The first one, this is basically the positive one, is connected to the 5 volt of the Arduino through a resistance of 1 kilo ohm. You can see the resistance of 1 kilo ohm, and the next pin, the ground pin, is connected to the ground of the Arduino board. That means the circuit is complete. Now this yellow pin, that once again I repeat, this is the green pin is basically the positive one, and the blue pin wire is basically the ground. And this is the data pin which is connected to the A0, that is analog pin of A0 of Arduino board. And now this is the LED which is connected to a 13 pin, 13 digital pin. As you know, 13 digital pin means it has inbuilt resistance. That is, the anode is connected to a 13 and cathode is connected to a ground. Now this is the USB cable connected to the laptop. We will upload the code, but what I want to say one thing, that initially the intensity of the light is very less, so that is why the LED is glowing. So we will increase the intensity of light after that. So first now I will go to the Arduino IDE, go to the tool, selection of board already done. This is Arduino Uno. Then port is already done. This is COM port 3. Okay. Now I'll click on upload. Uploading done. Now I'll go to, and my threshold value is 400, right? And then the value of the sensor is greater than equals to 400. Then the digital LED will be high, otherwise it will be low. So I repeat once more, the sensor value is greater than equals to 400, then the digital pin is high, otherwise it is low. So now you can see from the serial monitor, the value is greater than 400. That's why LED is glowing. LED is glowing. Intensity of the light is less. Now I will show you how you can increase the intensity of the light. Some light is falling on LDR. Some light is falling. You can see from the demonstration. Some light is falling on LDR, and the value of the sensors decreases. Value of the sensor you can see from the serial monitor, and the LED is off now. LED is off now. LED is off now. You can see from the Arduino board. And when we will increase the intensity of the light, LED is off, and when we decrease the intensity of the light, then LED is on. That is called automatic street lighting system.